Hi, this is Harry from Sullivan, and today I'm going to be explaining a little bit about our label kits under our Juicy Tech update under a minute. Now I have two label kits today. To my right is our battery label kit that we have in-house for our AC coupled unit, and also to our left we have our on-grid label kit, which is for your solar PV installations. Now just diving into our battery label kit here, I have this shutdown procedure, which is actually specific to the AC coupled system that we sell in-house, and also the componentry level markings that we also have within that label kit as well, specific. Now moving on, I'd like to jump over to our solar PV kits, which we also have our generic shutdown procedure as well, and also your PV label kit and also your inverter labels as well. Once again, all the information provided today is general in nature and shouldn't be taken literal. If you do wish to have the standards and ensure that you're complying with your regulatory authority, do go to your local regulatory authority. Now, moving forward, I'd like to take the opportunity that if you guys want any more information on any of our products supplied, a little bit of a tech update under a minute, do email us at service@solarjuice.com.au so that we can provide you with the information required under a minute. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank you again for joining us today and look forward to seeing you very shortly. Bye.
Thank you. The industry last week created 955,000 STCs. That's 250,000 STCs over the STP run rate. So another strong surplus week. We're still on track to meeting the target by the 28th of October this year. The price moved down a bit to $38.40 before it recovered to $38.45, and then currently it's got up to $38.50. So that's all from Formbay. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, Doug here from 3 Quotes. Most channels remain strong across all of the country this week, and lead volumes are up across the board. South Australia is fast becoming the new Gold Coast, with lead prices beginning to rise with an increase in demand, particularly in and around the Adelaide metropolitan area. Our STC leaderboard will be published on Friday, so head on over to 3quotes.com.au and see who's who in the installation stakes. That's all from me. Have a great week.